Hello students, I hope you all are well. Yes, so in my previous video I have discussed about the lattice method of multiplication. So today we are going to discuss about the second method, that was the box method. So to today video we will discuss about box method of multiplication. So now look here, what is the box method? As the name suggests, box method. We will use the few steps to solve the multiplication through box method. First, what we need to do, we will draw the box, then expand factors, then third multiply, and the fourth is addition. So these four steps we will follow to solve the multiplication using box method. So I am doing the problem from your book. Okay, let's try from course book. So this is the problem number 1 I am doing here using the box method. So what is the first step? First we need to draw box. So now how much big box, how many columns and rows should be there? So here we have 2 digit. Okay, so a box is 2 by 2 means 2 rows and 2 columns. So let's draw the box. 2 rows and 2 columns. 2 columns. Okay. So 2 by 2 box I have made here. So what is the next step? Expanded factor. Expanded factor means we have to write the number in the expanded form. So what is the first number? 54. Okay. What is the first number? 54. So 54. What is the expanded form of 54 if I am writing here? So expanded form of 54 is 50 plus 4. Yes, this is the expanded form of 54. So here I will write 50 and here I will write 4. Clear? Now see the second number. What is the second number here? 25. Yes, the second number is 25. The expanded form of 25. 20 plus 5. So here I will write 20 and 5. Clear? Till here it is clear. Now what is the third step? Multiply. Now we'll do the multiply. So first we'll multiply 20 with 4. Okay. So when you will multiply 20 multiply by 4, you will get 80. Now multiply 20 with 50. So you will get 5 2s are 10 and 2 0. 1000. Now this number. 5 number with 4. 5 4s are 20. Now 5 multiply by 50. So 5 5s are 25 and 1 0. So we'll get 250. Yes. So what simple way? Till here I am repeating again. First you need to draw the box. Which box you have to draw? It is 2 by 2 number here, 2 digit number, 2 digit number. So 2 rows and 2 column. 2 rows and 2 column. This is the first step. The second step, expanded factors. Means what is the first number? 50. So what is the expanded form of 50? 50 plus 4. So here I am taking 50 and 4. 50 and 4. And what is the second number? 25. The expanded form of 25 is 20 plus 5. So here I have written 20 and 5. Now like lattice method, we will multiply this. First we will multiply this 20 with 4. So 20 multiply by 4, you will get 80. Now 20 multiply by 50, you will get 1000. Now come on the second number, 5 multiply by 4, you will get 20. 5 multiply by 50, you will get 250. Okay. So what is the last step? Add. Now we have to add all these numbers. So let's adding them. First number 1000, second 80, third is 250 and fourth is 20. So one thing you have to keep it in your mind while you are adding numbers. See, it is 3 digit number, this is 2 digit number. So if you will write 1000, don't write 80 here, this is wrong. Okay, this is the ones place and this one is the ones place. So 1 should be in ones column only. So you have to write 80 here. Okay, just keep it in your mind during the addition. Don't do this mistake. Just see, it's a 3-digit number, it's a 2-digit, 3-digit, 2-digit. Ones one should be ones column, 10 should be in tens, 100 should be 100 and 1000 should be in 1000 column. Now let's start adding. 0, 0, 0. 8 plus 5 plus 2. You will get 15. 1 will go carry forward. 2 and 1 makes 3. And 1 is single here. 1 will come as it is. So what is answer? 1350. So if you multiply 54 multiply by 25 equals to 1350 is a answer. Clear? Let's take the next example. So the next problem is 125 multiplied by 112. So what is the first step? We need to draw a box. So how much box we have to draw? How many boxes we need to draw? It's a 3-digit number. This is also 3 digits. So 3 by 3 box we will draw, means 3 columns and 3 rows. Let's make a box for 3 rows and 3 columns. These 3 columns and 3 rows. Yes. Now what is the second step? Expanded factor. So we have to write the expanded form. The first number is 125. If 125, I am writing the expanded form. So what it will be? 100 plus 20 plus 5. Yes. So here I am writing 100, then 20, then 5. So what is the second number? 112. 112. So I am writing the expanded form of it. 100 plus 10 plus 2. So here 100 plus 10 plus 2. Beta see, we are moving left to right and top to bottom. Don't write it like this. 10, 100, 10 and 2. This is wrong. Okay. Don't write it like this. How we are moving? We are moving left to right and top to bottom. Clear? So now let's start. Third step is multiplication. So we have to start multiplying. 100 multiplied by 5. You will get 500. Yes. 5 ones are 5 and 2 0. So 2 0. So 100 multiplied by 5. You will get 500. Now 100 multiplied by 20. So 2 ones are 2 and total 3 0 will put. Yes. Now 100 multiplied by 100. So total 1 and how many 0 we need to put? 4 0. Okay. Now 10 multiplied by 5. You will get 50. 10 multiplied by 20. So you will get 200. 10 multiplied by 100. You will get 1000. Now 2 multiplied by 5. You will get 10. 2 multiplied by 20. You will get 40. 2 multiplied by 100. You will get 200. Clear? Till here it is clear. Now what is the fourth step? Addition. Now we have to add all these numbers. So let's add them. So first I am taking 10,000. Second is 2,000. Third is 500. Fourth is 1,000. Fifth is 200. Then 50. Then 200. Then 40. And then 10. See, one other method I am telling you. If you want to avoid this such long addition, what you can do? Just add this column here, add this column and then add the 3 digits. Okay. So here I am doing like this. So 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. 0 will come. Now in second, 0, 0, 0, 0. 5 only there. And 4 and 1, 5. Total 10. 0 will come. 1 will go for carry forward. Now 0, 0. 5 for 1, 6. Yes, 6 or 2, 8. 8 and 2, 10. 0, 1 will go carry forward. 1 and 2, 3 and 1 makes 4. And 1 will come here. So 14,000. This is a answer. So if you will multiply 125 by 112, you will get 14,000. This is the answer. Clear? Again I am repeating how we have done this. First you need to draw box. So how many columns and rows you have to make? It's depend on the number. It's a 3 digit. So 3 column. And 3 digit this one. So 3 rows. Okay. Now the second, expanded factor. Each number we have to write in expanded form. Here we have 2 numbers. So first number if I am writing in expanded form, you will get 100 plus 20 plus 5. So here I am writing 125. We are moving left to right here. You will not write 125 here. This is wrong. Left to right. First 100, then 20, then 5. What is the second number? 112. The expanded form of 112 is 100 plus 10 plus 2. So top to bottom. Yes, top to bottom. So 110 and 2. I have written here. Now start multiplying. 100 multiplied by 5, 500, 100 multiplied by 20, 2000, 100 multiplied by 100, 10,000, 10 multiplied by 5, 50, 10 multiplied by 20, 200, 10 multiplied by 100, 1000, 2 multiplied by 5 is 10, 2 multiplied by 20 is 40 and 2 multiplied by 100 is 200. Now we have to, what is the fourth step? Add. We have to add these all numbers. Yes, it depend on you. If you are adding like this, you can add this, or what else you can do? Just add these 3 number here, these 3 numbers here and these 3 number here, then add them. If I am doing here 0, 0, 0, 0, 5 and 1, 6 and 5. So 560, and here the first one is 0. The second digit is 4. The third digit 2 and 2. Yes. And now the here first digit 0. Second digit 0. Third digit 2. Fourth digit 1 and the 5 digit is 1. Now if you will add them, you will get the same answer. Okay. So if you want to do like this, you can add it like this. If you want to add like this, you can add this. So I will prefer this method. This will be easy for you and it is a correct method. Okay. So now let's see the next one. Next problem I am doing from your practice book. It's a my turn 5, question number B I am doing here. So here first step, draw the box. So how many boxes we need to draw? 2 digit and 1. So we have to make 2 by 1 box. Okay. So let's draw it. And 1 column we need. Yes. 2 for 2 column and 1 is 1 row here. So if I am writing the expanded form of 50, 15, 10 plus 5. So here 10, here 5. And here we have only single number 4. Yes. So 5 4s are 20. 4 10s are 40. Now let's add them. We have only 2 number, 40 plus 20. So you will get 60 is a answer. Clear? I hope it is clear to you all now. Box method. But we have to do, just draw the box, expanded factor, then multiply, then addition. First we need to draw the box, and box how many boxes we need to draw, it's depend on the number. how many digit a number have. Okay, it is 2 digit, 3 digit, it's depend on that. Second, we have to write the number in expanded form. Yes. And the third, we need to do multiply like lattice method. And fourth one is addition. Okay. Bye bye to you all. Thank you.